This is the checkerboard drill, and again it is used with two Maryland graspers in the left and right hands. The camera is again held in a mechanical arm such that both of the hands of the trainee are free. And we have a series of 16 letters and numbers that are placed in any configuration at the bottom of the screen. The object of this task is to place each number or letter in the appropriate square. To initiate this task, we start the timer, and then in any order the participant cares to do, these numbers and letters are grasped and lifted and placed into the appropriate location. Of note, one of the things that is against the protocol is simply sliding the letter or number as shown here. And if that in fact occurs, the number or letter should be slid back to the starting position below the bottom line, grasp, and again lifted into the correct position. Notice that I am right hand dominant. I'm predominantly using my right hand. Some of these letters and numbers are more difficult to grasp than others, and certainly it can be helpful to use the left hand to actually place it closer to a perpendicular angle for the right hand to grasp. The other error that can be troublesome is that if a letter or number is very difficult to grasp, as you saw me with that 3, it's very handy to put it very much perpendicular below the right hand and then to pick it up and to place it. If a letter or number drops, such as that, and is not in the place in the correct position, it should be restarted down at the bottom of the field, re-grasp, and then put into the appropriate location. Also notice that the letters and numbers do not need to be oriented in any particular fashion within their correct boxes. They simply need to be placed within the box. And certainly it can be a little bit tricky to grab some of these letters and numbers. Pressing down firmly against the flat surface and then grasping the letters and numbers tightly can aid if these numbers and letters are in fact a little bit slippery or difficult to grasp. Once all of the numbers and letters have been placed appropriately, the stopwatch is stopped, the score is recorded, and the proficiency level for this task is 68 seconds on 2 consecutive repetitions. To reset the drill and to continue practicing, we reach inside the box from the side, reposition all of the letters and numbers down at the base of the template, and then again start our timer and perform a second repetition. As previously shown, the errors to avoid are sliding the letter across the board. If this happens, the letter should be placed back down into the bottom of the starting position and re-grasp in order to effectively achieve the correct training protocol. The other problem that may occur is that if a letter or number is dropped outside the field of view as shown here and it cannot be re-grasped with the grasper, the trainee should reach inside the trainer box, reposition the letter or number into the appropriate starting position without stopping the timer, and the exercise should be continued as shown here.